Right peeps, back in my shed. Now the other day on Facebook I asked if anyone's got any old silver jewellery or gold jewellery that they want to send in, and I'll try and fix it. I'll try, that's the main key word, because I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm just having a go. Steve Newman, you legend, he sent me some bits in, and in there, I'll put the picture up now, in there was an old buckle ring, all chewed up, mangled, all twisted over, and I was going to melt it down and just try and make some silver out of it. And I looked at it and I thought, it looks like it's got a bit of age, that does. I'll try and see if I can fix it. If I can't fix it, it don't matter, I'll just melt it down and turn it into something else. And the very first bit of the video of me fixing it, I haven't filmed because I thought there's no chance I'm going to fix that because I don't know what I'm doing. So you've missed the first bit, but then I've done this certain bit, you'll see in a minute, and I thought, shit man, that's nearly there. That might work, that might. So I thought I'm going to film the rest of it now, because if it does come out good, it'd be a shame not to show me fixing it, because it's, well, I'm looking at it now. Oh, just a sneaky little peek. And it's coming out alright. Yeah, so enough waffle. Let's get back to it, and we get to the stage now where I've just soldered some, because it had been broke off, and I think a piece had been missing out of the ring, so it would have been tiny. So I've stretched it out, tried to get it a bit straighter, and I've melted down some silver. I'll put a bit in to make it a decent size ring. So let's get to that bit now where I've just welded it all on. Oh, our solder's just gone in. Just drop that in the pickle, and then you've got to put that into just normal water to cool down, because by putting that into your pickle with your ring can tarnish the ring or something, I'm not sure. Just been seeing it on YouTube not to do it. Spiders everywhere, man. So I'll let that settle now, 10-15 minutes, and then we give it a clean. Okay, so you've just seen that now. I've just had the ring heated up, and the ring was like that, made it to a decent size, and I put a bit of silver in between, so I made it stretch the ring, and then I put a bit of solder there, a bit of solder there, heated it up either side, and then just as I was getting red, heated up the middle, and then you see the solder just goes. You might not see that on the video, but that's what happened. And now I've made the ring round and bigger, so it's in the pickle. I'll get it out, I'll give it a clean, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's a bit of a mess at the minute, but hopefully we can get it looking better. Halfway through eating my sandwich. Right then. So that's the ring now. It looks like a ring. Lovely buckle ring, isn't it? It's got some markings in there, so it's not going to be earlier than 1700s, but I might be able to date it. And I've just Frankensteined it at the minute. See that square? It's the same thickness as the ring, and I've just put it on there for now, welded it on to make it that much bigger, so it now fits the finger. And now I've got to try and tidy that up. It's a right mess, I know, but hopefully I can sand it down, cut that off, put the arch on it, and try and make it look a bit better. Might not be able to, but we try. See how we get on. I want to try and follow that down a bit now. Right. Fingers crossed. Try and get rid of the welds now. Right, we're getting there. I think I'll just turn the camera around and show you now what it's looking like. That's the start of the weld. I've just got to blend that edge in a bit. That edge is looking all right. So it starts there and it ends there. You can see where the shiny is, where I've gone. I've just got to get rid of all that tatty. Look, see, that's where it's a bit higher there where the weld's gone across. I've got to try and get rid of that and make it invisible. But I want to use the little file now, and then sandpaper. I'm trying to get it so it's all square at the minute, well, and it's a bit ropey. I'm trying to bring the whole ring in a bit so it tapers. It'll look natural then. I'll try and make a dome as well, because this was a flat piece of silver and that's a D-shaped ring. Yeah, it's all very technical. Time for a break, I think. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. Hard work this is. Stressful. Let's have a look at it so far. We've now got a ring, but it's flat. You can still get away with that. Looks awesome. Still dirty, needs a good clean. Looks a bit manky at the minute. But it's that flat bit I've got to try and get out in a minute. But we're getting there. Just having a 5-minute break. Then I'm going to sand that back bit out. Still looks rough. Oh, scary bit. Plastic end. Try and get that square shape out. We got him, just a little bit there. Because it's flat, I'm trying to curve it. You can see where the flat edge is. So I'm sometimes using that copper edge just to turn the silver into the D shape. Oh, Bobby Dazzler. It's not flat now. Yay, buzzing. We're getting there. Just got to tidy it up now and get a polish. Happy days. Can't beat a cup of tea. got most of it looking something like. I've just highlighted, I can't really tell. That bit there, I just sanded it overside just so that's a bit more pronounced and it stands out a bit. I'm just going to polish it up a bit now. A little bit rough there. Just sand it there. You make me feel brand new. Bit rougher sandpaper. That's that's 2000. I think this is like 800. Just where I fold it, it's a bit rough, so I want it to feel smooth on the fingers. That's better. That's all right. You make me feel brand new. Hear the ring singing. You make me feel brand new. Buzzing, man. Getting there. Get it a real shiny finish now on anything I've worked on that's rough. Just slowly go through the different sandpapers. And it brings it up lovely. Right then, I'm going to buff it up now. Got me it's like a wax sort of thing, composite, I don't know what it is. Makes it shiny. That's coming up lovely, that is. I'll do a picture in a minute, yeah. You'll see it better. Right then. Going round that now, it's all shiny, all nicely polished. But I think where that was there, the buckle, I think there should be a buckle pin. I've got it all looking lovely and I'm going to risk everything. I'm going to try and make a buckle pin and solder that onto there. Oh, is that wise? Yeah, it's got to look right in it. I've got to put a buckle pin on it. So I'm going to try and do that now. Right, let's see how we get on. Tiny little bit of silver I've just manipulated to look somewhat like a buckle pin. I'm going to bevel that end down to a point. I don't know how I'm going to solder it on yet. I just hope I don't make a right mess of it now. Right, the last bit. The whole ring looks good. I'll show you the ring before I should put this on in case it just pulls it up. But I don't, hopefully I don't. Just have a look at that now, see how it looks on top of there. That looks good. Right. I'm going to cut that off. I'll show you the ring in a minute, but I'm going to cut that off, offer it on, see what it looks like, and then weld it. Right, back in a minute. Okay, so we've got the ring looking good. We've kept the hallmark. I didn't want to sand that bit too much because I don't want to take out the hallmark I might be able to do that after I've ID'd it, but I don't want to sand that out too much. The other side sanded out, it looks good. That's the back. That's got like a 10mm extra piece of welding. You wouldn't really know. Made that stand out a bit more. Looks good. But I just need to put a buckle pin on there, just so it looks more like a buckle. Just hope it don't melt. Right, let's see how we get on. Come on. Fingers crossed for me, peeps. I want to get this right. I'm chuffed with it at the minute. I've saved the ring. I just don't want to destroy it last minute. Well, I've fluxed it up. I've heated it. Got the flux so it's going to keep it clean. Tiny little easy mount solder. Easy mount, but can't get it on. Come on, drop on there. Drop where I need you. Stuck on my finger. Oh, that's on there now. Hurts your eyes. Where's my pick? Take that solder off, but I'll leave it there. I'm worried it might be a bit too big. Oh, it's making my eyes go funny, man. See what happens. Please work. Yeah, the flux is fizzing. Not going on it. I ain't done nothing. Fuck. Start again. Loving it. I'm well happy. I can't wait to find out what the date is on it. Polishing it up now. Final touches. Highlighted some of the details. I could see where the buckle come through, where the bolt went through the buckle. You won't see it on there, I don't think. There's like a V shape there now. That's the edge of the buckle gone through behind the buckle pin. Behind the belt slider. Got a belt slider there, which is what I highlighted. Turn off. Still got to polish it up a bit more. There's the buckle. There's the buckle pin. You can see that properly. That looks cool. And where you got the belt slider, and then obviously where the belt comes through, it stops. And I could just see in the silhouette just where the old mark was. I don't think you can see like that through the camera. No, I'll get a photo for you and pop it on. But there's like a V there now, where the end of the belt would have been. Bobby Dazzler. Look at that, I'm well pleased. Absolutely buzzing. I've just got to finish polishing it up. And then I'll show you some photos. There you can just see that V now. That's the end of the buckle. There's the buckle pin. There's a buckle. There's a buckle. There's the V. There's the belt slider, which the thing slides through. And there's the buckle pin. Looks alright, doesn't that pin? Right, I'll finish polishing it up and I'll get you some photos. Have a look. Hey, buzzing. Love it. didn't think I was going to be able to do that. But if you don't have a go, you won't know. So I've had a go, and now I know I can do that. I'm buzzing off that. Like I said before, the weld in there, on the one side I've cleaned it right up so you wouldn't know. And when it goes over to where the hallmarks are, I haven't polished it up mint. Just because I don't want to take the mint mark out. But I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put a photo of the mint mark at the end of this video and leave it on for like 10 seconds or something so you can have a look at it. And if anyone knows, because I'm crappy with dating silver, if anyone can date this ring, let me know in the comments, please. It'd be awesome to know what sort of age it is. I'm guessing early 1900s, 1906 to maybe late 1800s. But you never know, it could be even earlier. But yeah, I'm buzzing, I've restored it. Yay! Right then, have a look at the photos. Right then. There's the little V. So there's the buckle with the new buckle pin. I've exaggerated that a bit. I've shaved it in either side of the belt slider just to enhance it. And there's a V there. This is the end of the belt. The weld is, can't even see where it is now. Where's the weld? The weld starts in the middle there and goes, so it's from there to there is the weld. It's not a bad job, is it? I'm really chuffed with that. Thanks Steve Newman for sending it in. Hopefully we get an idea on it, what sort of age it is. But that fits on my finger. A treat. Happy days. What do you think, peeps? Do you like it? So that is an old metal detecting find from Steve Newman that he found metal detecting, and it was just a chewed up piece of, well, it was a ring, wasn't it? But it was absolutely chewed up, as you've seen in the pictures. And I'm buzzing that I fixed it, brought it back to life, put the pin back on it, which I'm proud of. And yeah, restored metal detecting find back to use it again now. Thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, if you've got anything from the video, just click the like button so I know that you like it. And if you want to see more, don't forget to get subscribed. Loads of videos coming up, mainly metal detecting, but I have just started doing these rings, fixing rings and coin rings and that, so there'll be a few of these videos as well. Thanks for watching, peeps. See you on the next one. Toodle bib.